So the best way to forward a email that might be suspicious, let's say you open it up and you find something that's kind of plain and just doesn't look right, even though it might be from someone you know. Um, the easiest thing for us is we need this whole email because there's information embedded in this email. And that information is embedded in the properties that tells us kind of the path it took and everything that each server that touched it to give us the behind the scenes information we need. So, the best thing to do, of course, is you don't want to open up something you're not sure of ever. And if there is something, what you can do is just start an email. And if you, probably the easiest thing is just support at Skyport IT. CC. Be careful of CCing people inside your organization because they may go and click on it thinking you're sending something, um, or even a to someone else, unless there's some big exclaimer they know it's coming that it's suspicious. So not sure about this email. Is it safe? So the reason we open up a new email is because with Outlook, you can take that email and drop it in, and it creates it as an attachment. That way, when we open it, we see it exactly like you do. Forwarding the email doesn't necessarily always include all that information, or a screenshot certainly doesn't. We can't tell anything by a screenshot other than, oh, we see what you see. Um, so that's the process for doing this. And then I would just say, again, it's suspicious. Spell it right would be nice. Email for review. And we're happy to take a look at it. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and send this. And that's it. Then we have the ability to look at it the way we need to.